Nourished with love. Isaiah 66 paints a picture of comfort and nourishment. Parang isang baby na nakadikit sa dibdib ng nanay. Busog, tahimik, at safe. Ganyan din ang care at love ni Lord para sa atin. Kaya alam ng Diyos ang puso ng mga nanay, lalo na sa panahong silang nagbibigay ng ganitong klaseng comfort sa anak nila. According to the World Health Organization, breast milk is the ideal food for infants. It is safe, clean, and contains antibodies that help protect against many common childhood illnesses. Sa mga nanay na nagpapasuso, hindi madali ang breastfeeding. Masakit, nakakapagod, minsan nakakaiyak daw. Pero sa bawat gatas na naibibigay nila, may kasamang pag-ibig at sakripisyo. At hindi lang nutrients ang binibigay nito, security, comfort, at connection din. At para sa mga nanay na hindi na makapagpasuso, don't feel guilty. Your worth is not measured by ounces of milk. You are still a nurturer, a comforter, and a source of joy. Bagamat mahalaga ang breast milk, hindi ito basihan ng pagiging ina, kundi ang puso na handang magbigay, mag-aruga, at magsakripisyo. God sees how you hold your baby close, prepare bottles, sing lullabies, and pray quietly at night. That too is nourishment. That too is worship. Breastfeeding is truly a wonder in itself, and God uses it to give life to the next generation. Ginagamit niya ang mga nanay bilang channel ng kanyang care. Wow! What a privilege for mothers to be part of God's beautiful design. Let's pray. Lord, will you remind the mothers out there that they are your channels of blessings? Will you encourage them that they're nurturing? Whatever form it takes is a form of reflection of your love, and help me to be a blessing to them as well. Are you a mother? Tell God kung anong part ng motherhood ang pinaka-challenging para sa iyo ngayon. Let Him fill you up as you pour yourself out for your child. Kung kailangan mo ng mapaghihingahan ng iyong saloobin, i-click lang ang icon na Chat with Us in the Tanglaw app para maka-chat ng live ang ating prayer counselors. Tatamasahin ninyo ang kasaganaan niya tulad ng sanggol sa dibdib ng kanyang ina. Isaiah 66:11. This is Iko Gonzalez. Thank you, mothers. God bless you.